So I have come to meet my best friend after a very long time, Dr. Advocate Mohini Suryavanshi. She's my best friend.
Louder.
So we're gonna make party. I think.
What's up, bro? This is normal thing there in India. People are very friendly. They want to show themselves in the camera. They are not camera shy. And I love it. This is India. Sindabad, India. Where are we going to? What is the name of that place?
Baner.
Baner. We are going to Baner. So,
Look,
this.
in front of citizen.
Oh, look at that. Buffalo. What, cow? Not a buffalo? Oh, my bad. That's a cow. So we are going to visit our friend. And it's weekend here in India, Saturday. And it's raining. It's monsoon season. And you can see it yourself. How everywhere is wet and how the road is just jam-packed. There is no... Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Hold on. That's traffic. Everyone standing still. Everyone stands still, to be honest. This is normal thing here in India. I mean, traffic is just day-to-day experience. Oh. Traffic is unbelievable. Unbelievable traffic here. To be honest. Oh, everyone is honking. How many kilometers will it take us to arrive there? To reach to Baner from here?
There's not too much traffic there. We are lucky. We are lucky.
Okay.
Okay. I think.
What's up, bro? This is normal thing there in India. People are very friendly. They want to show themselves in the camera. They are not camera shy. And I love it. This is India. Sindabad, India. That's lovely. He was literally honking for me to show him. You know, he really wanted to appear in the camera.
Again.
Yeah. So guys, the person that we come to meet is not yet here, and my wife is she's using the restroom, and I just wanted to show you guys here this view. Look at how beautiful it is. I'm so addicted to greenery, guys. Yeah, anything green, I'm so addicted to it. Look at that, so beautiful. And that's Indian flag there, flying so high you cannot see it. Yeah, but it's so beautiful, really. There is one conception really that I wondered, you know, before I came to India, a lot of people say that, you don't go to India, it's a dirty country, what are you going to do there? But looking at everything since I came here, it just, like literally, that's just a lie for me. It's literally a lie, because India is just like any other country in the world that we know. You know, any country in the world. There is bad side, there is the good side of it. So, but I don't think the bad side of India is as the way the media is portraying it. To be honest, I don't really think that it is that way. Yeah, India is a very beautiful country, guys. Very beautiful with a lot of histories and that. And of course, we know their culture is so versatile, so deep, just like an ocean. Yeah, and also the language, they have different types of languages. But the good thing here is that everyone here understands English, and even if the person cannot speak perfectly, they can understand what you're saying. But they understood, they can help you if maybe you are asking a question or something. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Mama
yeah.
paid, na?
Where is she?
Wait, don't pay, wait.
What should I do?
Tell her. Oh wait, we are bringing one.
Okay. Mama, wait. They're bringing more. Wait.
It's okay, get the bag from them. Ah, you don't make
Yeah, yeah. कौन सा बैग? कौन सा बैग? Ah.
Hey, do you drink this? Do you like it?
I never had it before, I think. Yeah, I didn't have it. How does it taste? Sour?
I never tried it, so I'm asking.
Uh,
Okay, so let's get it and you try.
sure.
Is it okay? Can you help me? Let's have this one. Do you know this sauce?
Yep. Yep.
I've been searching for it for a long time. Checking it online. Yeah. And
This
your
specific
mom,
one?
She liked this one.
I don't think she also had it before.
Babe? Babe, do you think she'll like this?
What is that?
Kombucha.
Kombucha.
I don't know, I haven't tried it.
You wanna try?
Yeah.
Then let's get on it.
Mama. Wait, they're bringing more. Wait. Yeah. Could you hold this for a moment? I had to bring the bag. The bag is there.
Okay. Can you hold on for a minute? She's bringing more?
Sure.
Okay.
What is one or not?
Who?
One, no?
She going to get it back. Yeah. Yeah, she's coming. Hold on, let me call her. Hey, how you doing? Charlotte, they are waiting for you.
Wait now. Because she's saying we make pasta, we make biryani.
She want biryani?
So it's better we take something so that she won't feel hungry. Come. I saw something last night. Come here.
Say something to the camera. What are
Hello.
you doing here?
So I have come to meet my best friend after a very long time, Dr. Advocate Mohini Suryavanshi. She's my best friend.
Allow that.
So we're gonna make party.
Yes, guys, we've been shopping since we came in here, and
Did you take the pickles?
there's one.
Yeah, I want to show you something
I'm
here.
so happy, guys, because I found something that I've been looking for since I came to India. It's soya sauce. This, That's that sauce. I'll be looking for it. Yes?
Tapioca starch.
Okay.
Is it fufu starch?
No, this is not fufu starch. If you wanna try fufu, by all means. We just grabbed everything we need to make pasta after hanging out with my wife's friend and her daughter. Now we are on our way to her house. To keep things short and sweet, I am wrapping up part 1 here. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, Life in the Lane, make sure to hit that button right now, turn on notification, and see you in part 2. Adios.